Hello dear viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you source and sink run command. Now the switch select in sink. In this condition I'll check the motor. Motor is not running due to we have connect run switch in PLC 24 volt DC and forward. We need to change the switch from sinks to source. I have changed the switch from sinks to source. This is on and motor is running. Okay, I show you the switching voltage. Here 24 volt positive. This is common terminal 0, 23, 22, near about 24. Now the switch selected in source. Now I want to change this switch from source to sink. Okay. Now the switch selected in sink and terminal connection in 24 volt. If I want to run the motor is not running because as per the switch selection source or sink terminal connection is not matching. That's why motor not running. Now need to change the connection with common. We know that sinks means 0 volt or common, or source means 24 volt. Okay. Now we have connect run switch in CM common and forward and switch selected in sink. In this condition motor will run. Okay, we are checking. Motor is running in sink switching. Thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.